Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes. Today we're going to be making ammonium chloride. And so what we're going to need is liquid ammonia, non-scented, just regular old ammonia, and then hydrochloric acid, and we're going to need stoichiometric amounts, so 100 milliliters of one, 100 milliliters of the other as an example. It doesn't have to be that amount. I'm going to personally be doing probably 200 milliliters of each. Now, uh, these two materials going together is exothermic, and so it will cause heat. Just be aware of that, so you don't mix them in a container that will melt or whatever. And so, basically, what we're gonna do is get our two chemicals, put them together, and then we're gonna start boiling the liquid down until the crystals start to form. So, excuse me. I'll get my liquids together in a container, get them on my stove, and then I'll come back to you. Be right back. Alright, well, I lost the footage somehow of me boiling it down. So you can see what I have left. The crystal formation actually didn't really start until I noticed it on the side of the glass. And so at that point I turned the temperature off and I swirled the liquid, and those crystals fell down into the liquid, and then when it cooled it crystallized across the liquid. But you can see it's still like a icy slurry mix, like, you know, like a Slurpee or whatever. And so now I'm gonna vacuum filter it to just get rid of the liquids, and then you have your ammonium chloride just like that, I'm pretty sure. And so I'll double check that real quick just to verify that, and yeah, I'll show you me vacuum filtering it. Be right back. Alright, I got my vacuum distillation going. So you can see I got my nice white ammonium chloride crystals in there, and then liquid coming down. One day I'll have to show how I got my aspirator going. I basically have some tanks that I built under my garage, and then have some pumps that pump air up through an aspirator to create my vacuum. That way the chemicals, they go through a water bath, and then also they never go through any of my pumps. And so that way they'll never make anything go bad, as long as I keep the water neutral, which just adding sodium bicarbonate does that for me. And so pretty sweet setup I made myself. But yeah, and so this is my ammonia chloride. Anyways, till the next one, guys.